Welcome to this video on sterilization, covering the essential methods, principles, and key concepts necessary for ensuring patient safety. Sterilization is the complete destruction or elimination of all forms of microbial life, including bacterial spores. It is an essential process for medical devices that enter sterile tissues, helping to prevent severe healthcare-associated infections. It is important to distinguish between sterilization and high-level disinfection. While sterilization eliminates all forms of microbial life, high-level disinfection eliminates most microbes, but does not reliably destroy high numbers of bacterial spores. Cleaning always comes first. You cannot reliably sterilize a dirty instrument because organic material acts as a physical barrier. The process involves 4 steps: cleaning and decontamination, inspection and packaging, the sterilization process, and sterile storage. There are 3 major sterilization methods. Moist heat using an autoclave is the most common and rapid. Dry heat is used for moisture-sensitive items, and low-temperature methods are used for instruments that cannot withstand heat or moisture. Effective sterilization relies on several principles: adequate time for exposure, maintaining precise temperature levels, using the correct concentration of the sterilizing agent, and ensuring proper contact so the agent reaches all surfaces. Packaging matters significantly. Proper packaging allows the sterilizing agent to penetrate while maintaining sterility during storage and protecting items from contamination. Remember, wet, torn, or damaged packages are not sterile. Sterilization must be monitored using 3 types of indicators: physical indicators like gauges, chemical indicators for direct exposure, and biological indicators, which are the most direct method to confirm effectiveness by challenging the process with resistant spores. Our take-home message is clear: clean first, sterilize correctly, monitor continuously, and protect sterility afterward. Sterilization is a rigorous process outcome, not just a machine setting. Thank you for watching this video on infection prevention and sterilization methods.